Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. My name is Udisha and we have a very interesting topic for all of you today. Everybody who's watching this video, I just want to ask you a simple question. Listen to the question and answer honestly. Have you been working for the past 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years? And are you still stuck in a random position with some unjustified salary? Do you think that you are working very hard but you are not getting paid as per your hard work? If the answer is yes for both the questions, that you have been working for 1 year or 2 years and still feel like you don't get the deserved amount of salary or you don't get the deserved amount of respect, then this video is only for you. Because here we bring you the opportunity to fast forward your growth with Axis PBRM. What is PBRM? PBRM stands for Priority Banking Relationship Manager. This is a job role that is self-explanatory. What is a relationship manager, guys? Who is a relationship manager, rather? A relationship manager is that point of connect between the bank and the client that basically makes sure that a good client never leaves the bank and makes sure that the bank never ignores a good client. That's all. You build the relationship, you maintain the relationship, you nurture the relationship. Priority banking relationship managers are senior level relationship managers. They cater to audience who are maintaining at least a monthly balance of 2.5 lakhs anytime. Okay, so you have to understand that you are going to be dealing with the cream crowd. You are going to meet people who have a certain financial standing in the society. You are going to make sure that Axis gets the best clients from out there in the world and the best clients get the best services from Axis. That's what you have to do in very simple words. Now, why do I tell all my students that maybe you are stuck in a job where you're not happy, where you feel I'm getting 20,000, I'm getting 18,000 and I don't deserve this. I speak very well, I look very good, I am very good with people, I don't want to do this job. I have met such bright people. Very smart, very good to talk to, very confident, but they are still stuck in some random sales job because they don't know that roles like this exist. Okay, I'm going to tell you all, first of all, what is the eligibility required for this role. Okay, because this is very important. Your age can be minimum 23 to maximum 30 years at the time of application. You should be, let me explain that to you. Your age can only be between 23 to 22, 23 to 30. What's wrong with me? I said 23 to 22. Anyway, getting back to the track, as I said, your age can be between 23 and 30. So that could be 23 years old, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay, I think there's almost no bank other than Axis which is giving an opportunity to even 30 years old. A lot of 30-year-olds are sitting in jobs where they're unhappy. They know that I deserve to be a manager, I deserve to be a senior person, but they are not getting the recognition that they deserve. This is your opportunity. Okay, now moving on, what kind of education does Axis want? 10th, 12th and graduation in regular mode. First of all, distance learning we are not taking at the moment. Regular mode, where you go to office, you go to school, you go to college, you complete your education like that. No online or no distance we are accepting. And in graduation, minimum 50% score. Your aggregate score in your graduation has to be at least 50%. It cannot be less than 50 at all. It cannot be 49.8, it cannot be 47 point anything. 50, 51, 70, 90, whatever, that's brilliant. Okay, so minimum 50% in graduation, and all 10th, 12th and graduation has to be in regular mode. Now moving on, your experience. Minimum of 1 year of work experience is asked for. You should have at least 1 year of experience, and it is highly suggested that that 1 year of experience has to be in only one organization. Sometimes what people do is they are working for 3 months in organization A, then 3 months in organization B, then another 6 months in organization C. This is not recommended. I'm sorry, but we'll not be able to take such people, because very honestly, all the organizations, they go for employees who have a loyal background, people who are stable minded, not very fickle. Okay, I like this work today, so I'm going to work here. I don't like it tomorrow, so I'm going to resign. That's not how things work. We want stable people, we want sensible people, responsible people. These are important things. Like if you've taken up a responsibility, you've taken up a role, at least 1 year needs to be given to it, until unless there's like a severe emergency situation. Okay, so preference is for 1 year minimum in one organization. Okay, one organization में at least 1 साल का, क्या लिखे जा रही हूँ मैं, organize, भाई यार, sometimes I absolutely don't know what am I doing, but you know, because there's so much going on in my head at the moment. However, so you got the point here. What am I telling you? Minimum 1 year of work experience is absolutely mandatory, and that too in one organization. Number two, if you come from any kind of a sales background, you have a sales background, you are more than welcome for this role. Okay, now let me very quickly tell you, what do you get? So the name of the job that you're going to do, your designation is going to be Priority Banking Relationship Manager. कोई आपसे पूछेगा आप क्या करते हैं, आप बोलेंगे I am a Priority Banking Relationship Manager with Axis Bank. कोई आपसे पूछेगा what's your rank, what's your grade, I am a Deputy Manager with Axis Bank. So what are we giving you? We are giving you a managerial role. What happened? Achha, it's white in color. Okay, so आप क्या बोलेंगे? I'm a deputy manager with Axis Bank. All right. Then there is starting salary of 6.38 LPA to 6.8 LPA. मतलब आप approximately 6-6.5 लाख की सैलरी any given point पे आपको मिल रही है. ठीक है. और इसके साथ साथ आपका परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा है तो आपको incentives भी बैंक देता है. Full time job, full time employee benefits. Okay. So this is the job I'm talking about. If you're somebody who likes to talk to people, who is able to form bonds with people, somebody who's smart enough to know what kind of a product should go to what kind of a person, this is, I think, the biggest identity of a good salesperson. If for example, if let's say I'm somebody who's looking for a sports shoes, but somebody comes and offers me 5 inches heels, am I going to take it? No. Am I going to engage in a conversation with that salesperson? No. The person who comes to me and offers me that this is what you're looking for, this is what I'm giving it to you, then I'm going to engage with that person. And that's what I'm looking at. You know, so if you are somebody with good sales background, you're more than welcome. I think this is your opportunity to shine bright. You are literally starting your career in banking on the grade of a deputy manager. And if you're hardworking, you know your way around your words, believe me, the growth in private sector banking is immense. It's limitless. There's literally nobody telling you, you can't get this job, you can't get this role, your promotion will only happen after 3 years. It doesn't work like that with private banks. If you're a good performer, you're a loyal employee, you get all the benefits. Believe me, I have a lot of friends, a lot of students working in really solid banks here. Okay, especially Axis when I say that. Now guys, when I say that you can get all of this, how are we going to help you? We are the ones who are going to train you. We are going to prepare you. For example, if you come from a sales background, but you come from, let's say, real estate, or you come from, let's say, hospitality, how are we going to train you into a banker, a future ready banker, so that when you join Axis Bank, you don't say things like, मैंने तो ये कभी किया ही नहीं. You can't do this. Like, you're getting such a good salary, you're getting such a good role, you're getting such a good position. You are not in the position to say such things कि मुझे तो आता ही नहीं. इसीलिए हम आपको ट्रेन करेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रेन यू. ओके, तो यहाँ पर जो आप देख रहे हैं ये है आपका PBRM प्रोग्राम in association with Career 24/7. Access PBRM program carried by Career 24/7. ठीक है, अब आपको यहाँ पर देखना है 2 months वर्चुअल ट्रेनिंग. ये 12 महीने का आपका टोटल कोर्स है. टोटल ट्रेनिंग पीरियड जो है वो आपका 12 months का है. We have divided these 12 months in 4 segments. First one is 2 months online training. This is where we tell our candidates to serve their notice period. आप नोटिस पीरियड सर्व करते हैं 2 महीने का और ऑफिस से आने के बाद आपकी क्लासेस लगती हैं, आप पढ़ाई करते हैं. ओके, नंबर 2, जब आप ये 2 महीने पूरे करते हैं तो वी टेक यू टू आवर कैंपस इन पुणे. पुणे में हम आपको पढ़ाते हैं, आपकी क्लासेस होती हैं, आपको रिसर्च सिखाया जाता है, आपको बैंकिंग सिखाई जाती है, फंडामेंटल्स सिखाए जाते हैं, प्रोडक्ट सिखाए जाते हैं. बेसिकली आपका जो कॉमन पर्सन टू बैंकर का ट्रांजिशन होता है वो यहीं होता है. ओके, जब आप ये भी पूरा कर लेते हैं उसके बाद हम शुरू करते हैं आपकी प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज पे काम. अभी ये 2 जगह पे तो वी वर टीचिंग यू थ्योरी, यहाँ हम आपको थ्योरी पढ़ाते हैं, लेकिन जैसे ही आप इसको पूरा करते हैं हम आपको भेजते हैं आपकी 2 महीने की इंटर्नशिप के लिए एक्सिस बैंक की किसी ब्रांच में. एक्सिस बैंक की ब्रांच में यू गेट टू इंटर्न, you get to see how the work is done. You get to know what kind of a target am I going to get, what kind of a client am I going to deal with, what kind of a product am I selling the best, what kind of a product maybe I'm struggling with, everything. So hands-on knowledge we're talking about. Now, once you complete your internship, we send you for the rest of the 6 months, 12 महीने में से बचे हुए 6 महीने के लिए हम आपको भेजते हैं on the job training पर. On the job training is basically to give you that exact experience that you get as a banker. कोई भी बच्चा should never be able to say हमें तो बैंक ही नहीं पता, हमें तो बैंक का प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं पता. कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे. वो आपका थ्योरी हो जाए, वो आपका प्रैक्टिकल हो जाए, हम A to Z कंप्लीट ट्रेनिंग आपको देंगे. And that is why Access PBRM with Career 24/7 is the best program for any individual out there who believes in themselves. अगर आपको खुद पे यकीन है कि आपको मेहनत पसंद है, आपको पैसे पसंद है, आपको ब्रांड पसंद है, ये प्रोग्राम आपको तीनों चीजें दे रहा है. आप मेहनत करने का आपको abundant chances मिलते हैं, सही जगह पर मेहनत करने का, और जितनी आप मेहनत करते हैं आपको उतने पैसे मिलते हैं. और एक्सिस हमारे देश का 3रा सबसे बड़ा बैंक है, तो उसके साथ काम करने का मौका आपको मिलता है. तो अगर आप एक्सिस PBRM में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, मैं आपको फटाक से बताना चाहती हूँ कि बेटा ये प्रोग्राम पेड है. इस प्रोग्राम की फीस है, क्योंकि हम आपको पढ़ाते हैं, सिखाते हैं, नौकरी दिलाते हैं, सारी चीज़ें करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर आपको बता दें कि इसकी जो फीस है वो बेसिकली 2,25,000 रुपये, इट्स 2,25,000 प्लस देयर इज एन 18% GST ऑन दिस. द टोटल बिकम्स 2,65,000. Okay, now we give you multiple options. You can pay the fees on your own. You can pay the fees in installments. First installment would be 1 lakh rupees. Second installment would be another 1 lakh rupees. And जब आप enrollment accept करते हो तब आपको 25,000 रुपये plus GST देना होता है. तो क्या होता है कि ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आज आप फॉर्म भरोगे कल आपको प्रोग्राम में एडमिशन मिल जाएगा. बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट द क्रीम क्राउड, वी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट ऑनेस्ट पीपल, वी वॉन्ट हार्ड वर्किंग पीपल, वी वॉन्ट पीपल हु आर पैशनेट अबाउट सेल्स, अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन, पीपल who look the part. यार लगना चाहिए. जब आप बैंकर्स को देखते हो, you can feel the elite, right? That's what I'm talking about. So if you have that in yourself, then this is your chance. अगर आपको लगता है कि यार मैं हूँ elite यार, मैं बात करता हूँ तो लोगों को अच्छा लगता है, मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगता है, दिस इज योर रोल एवरीबडी. ठीक है, यहाँ पर बेटा तो जैसा मैं आपको कह रही थी, अगर आप आज फॉर्म फिल करते हैं, हमारी टीम आपको कोऑर्डिनेट करेगी, आपको सारी चीज़ें बताएगी, के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करेगी, आपको सारे स्टेप्स बताएगी. आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो आप एक फॉर्म फिल करते हैं। वो फॉर्म फिल करने के बाद आपका एक असेसमेंट होता है, प्रॉक्टर्ड टेस्ट होता है। उसके बाद आपको एक इंटरव्यू हमारी टीम को देना होता है, हो सकता है मुझे ही देना पड़े, और दूसरा इंटरव्यू देना होता है आपको एक्सिस बैंक की टीम को। ये 3 स्टेप्स, एक टेस्ट 2 इंटरव्यू, ये 3 स्टेप्स आप क्लियर कर लेते हैं तो आपको फिर एडमिशन इस प्रोग्राम में मिल जाता है। इससे ये भी समझ के चलना कि ये कोई मजाक का प्रोग्राम नहीं है, यहाँ जेन्युइनली डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट्स ही आते हैं। आप ये भी सोचो कि आपके जैसे ही बहुत सारे काबिल बच्चे, मिनिमम 50 का बैच हमारा हमेशा बनता है, ठीक है। लास्ट ईयर भी हमने ऑलमोस्ट 270 to 80 बच्चों का प्लेसमेंट करवाया था PBRM रोल में, ठीक है। सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट, दिस इज योर अपॉर्चुनिटी एवरीवन। एक और चीज मैं आपको बता दूं कि इनकेस कोई बच्चा ऐसा कहता है कि यार मेरे पास 2,65,000 रुपए नहीं है, मैं नहीं दे पाऊंगा, आपको चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि आप एक बैंक में काम करने जा रहे हो। आने वाले टाइम में आप लोगों की मदद करोगे पैसे से, लेकिन अभी बैंक आपकी मदद करता है। बैंक आपको ऑप्शन देता है लोन का, आप लोन लेकर के अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी कर सकते हैं और 15 महीने कंप्लीट होने के बाद से आप अपनी EMI दे करके अपने लोन को जल्दी से जल्दी क्लोज कर सकते हैं। आने वाले टाइम में तो तुम्हारी सैलरी इतनी होगी कि तुम ज्यादा से ज्यादा 4-5 महीने की सेविंग में 2,65,000 रुपए जोड़ के उनको दे दोगे, ठीक है। सो अगर आप इस प्रोग्राम में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो इस प्रोग्राम के लिए आपको अप्लाई करने के लिए बस एक चीज करनी है, इसका हमने डायरेक्ट लिंक लगा दिया है। लिंक है, एप्लीकेशन लिंक यहां पर लिख देती हूं मैं। जो एप्लीकेशन लिंक है बेटा, वो आपके चैट में, सॉरी, टॉप कमेंट में और डिस्क्रिप्शन में, टॉप कमेंट और डिस्क्रिप्शन में लगाया है, ठीक है। तो सेम लिंक है, आपको जहां भी लिंक दिख रहा है क्लिक करो, फॉर्म को फिल करो, ऑनेस्ट रहो, बी सीरियस अबाउट इट, बी अवेलेबल ऑन द email ID and the phone numbers that you put in the form. My team will get in touch with you. We'll explain everything to you. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can drop your comments in the comment section. I will answer all the questions, by the way. Thank you very much for watching the video. Share it with all the people who you think deserve to get a better job, deserve to get a better salary. They have the potential, but maybe they are not getting what they want. So please make sure that you share it with all your friends. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.